Meet the RG2 and RG6, plug-and-produce grippers for multiple purposes. Designed for seamless integration, the RG grippers are ready to work right out of the box. The fast installation and simple programming reduces your deployment time. A large stroke with force-based gripping gives you a cost-effective solution that can handle large variations in the process. You use the same RG gripper for multiple purposes. The RG gripper's fingertips can be quickly replaced with customized ones to fit the shape of your objects, making it easy to redeploy the setup for different tasks. Both the RG2 and the RG6 are available in a dual gripper configuration, which allows the robot arm to perform more complex tasks and notably increasing productivity.